Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Water Eject feature on your AMAZFIT Active Max. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to the control center. So the control center is right here. Now, go to the second side, or if you already moved those icons, then find the droplet icon, click it, and now it was ejecting the water. So it's just like that, nothing really hard here. Just make sure that it is the droplet icon and not anything else. So here, as you guys can see, we need to keep in mind that the direction of the water ejection we need to keep it away from the speaker port. So here we have the speaker port, as you guys can see on the left side here, and we want to hold it like this. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.